I hope you are doing fine at home with your family. Okay children, what day is today? Today is Tuesday. Come again? Yes, Tuesday. Before we start our class, let's recite doa penerah hati dan doa waktu pagi juga tau. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wa syur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Jangan lupa baca doa waktu pagi juga tau. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan thayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbala. Okay children, let's sing a song together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, next we are going to use this book, Nursery Program Book number 2. Now, turn to page 8. Lesson 7. My friends. Come read with teacher. Adam is my friend. Again, Adam is my friend. Rani is my friend. Again, Rani is my friend. Kimiko is my friend. Again, Kimiko is my friend. I have many friends. Again, I have many friends. For page 9, you need to do pre-writing activity. You need to join the dotted line using the color pencil. Then, you can color the picture. Okay, next, teacher want to show you another activity. Open and close. Buka dan tutup. We have different types of containers. Some containers, you need to twist the lid to the left and to the right to open and close. Some containers, you need to lift up the lid to open and put it back to close. Let's try this one. You need to twist the lid to the left to open and twist to the right to close. Open, close. With this one, you need to twist to the left to open and twist to the right to close. Repeat after teacher. Open, close. For this container, you need to lift up the lid to open and put it back to close. Same with this container. You need to lift up the lid to open and put it back to close. Repeat after teacher. Open, close. This one is a bit different. You need to open half only. Open and close. Repeat after teacher. Open, close. Dear children, that's all for today. Don't forget to do your work, okay? Please subscribe to our channel. Take care. Stay safe.